Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, July 8th. What's going on today? Forexfactory.com calendar looks like, from a U.S. perspective, we only have a 3 p.m., and that's consumer credit month over month. So, really nothing going on during the main market um, due to this the light calendar. 4:30 after the market closes, we have API weekly statistical bulletin, but again, that's a yellow item and nothing to really be too worried about. So again, today, like yesterday, we have very little scheduled news. We'll just have to continue to monitor the tariff situation, which was the big news driver yesterday. Moving on to charts. The daily chart here, we made an all-time new high, and we've had 2 days of pullbacks, although the pullbacks have been relatively minor. Would love to see the 3, 5, 7, and 12. So a 3 would be another down day. Where could we go? Just ballpark looking at range. We could certainly come back up and test yesterday's highs, 63.17, or test yesterday's lows and maybe go down a little more to 62.46.25. Pattern wise, this is setting up for another bull flag. So maybe I need to get rid of some of this stuff. That being said, we are broken up above this band, this big band, which is consolidation from way back, as you can see back here. Now, if we come back into it, it's like coming back into the muck. So certainly as possible to come back down into that area. However, this is starting to look like a bull flag, flagging pattern to continue to go up. I will make sure on the next, by tomorrow, I'll have that drawn, that the flag part actually drawn in here. Here's the flag so far. So there you have it. Looking at the inventory was negative yesterday on negative price action. So that's correlated, nothing to write home about there. The overnight action was pretty narrow, but 35 points. 62.89 was the high, 62.54.50. And you can see that it was fairly mundane, really nothing crazy going on in the overnight session. 35 is a little bit more than the historical average, but certainly less than what we've been used to in the short run. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 57.1, 57.1. Probability the market will go up. Support and resistance. So I'm going to go over this one time really quickly. We're up at near all-time highs. So when you scrunch this down a little bit, there's very, very little that is usable above. So upstairs, no idea where resistance is. We can just sort of guesstimate. 63.15, 63.70. On the downside, resistance, on the other hand, or should say support, we've got some support. It's 62.41, 62.20-ish, 6,200, of course, the big round number, 61.80. If we get below that, maybe 61.60, 61.50. So there's your support and resistance levels. Kind of hard to do now that we're at the very top of the charts. So that is the story. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.